Welcome to our comparison of two popular motherboards, the MSI B550-A PRO and the Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi. In this video, we will explore their specifications, features, and performance to help you choose the right motherboard for your needs. We'll look at their chipset capabilities, form factors, and pricing to give you a clear understanding of what each board offers. The MSI B550-A PRO features the advanced B550 chipset, which supports PCIe 4.0, allowing for faster data transfer rates and better performance with compatible devices. In contrast, the Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi uses the older B450 chipset, which only supports PCIe 3.0. This difference can significantly impact the performance of your system, especially if you plan to use high-speed NVMe drives or graphics cards that benefit from PCIe 4.0. When it comes to form factor, the MSI B550-A PRO is a full-sized ATX motherboard, providing more expansion slots and connectivity options. This makes it ideal for users looking to build a high-performance system with multiple graphics cards or additional peripherals. On the other hand, the Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi is a micro ATX motherboard, which is smaller and more compact, making it suitable for smaller cases or budget builds where space is a concern. Price is always a crucial factor in any purchase decision. The MSI B550-A PRO is priced at $119, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. In contrast, the Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi is more budget-friendly at $94. While the Gigabyte board offers good value for its price, the MSI board provides more features and better performance, making it worth the extra cost for serious gamers and PC builders. In conclusion, both the MSI B550-A PRO and the Gigabyte B450M DS3H WiFi have their strengths and weaknesses. The MSI board excels in performance and features, making it a great choice for high-end builds, while the Gigabyte board offers excellent value for those on a budget or with space constraints. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.